Good morning, BNI, and a warm welcome to all our leaders for this month LTRT meeting. Thank you very much, Chaman and Guna, for moderating the LTRT. How many of you would like to achieve the goals of 2021 that you are planning to set right now? Would you be interested to achieve? How many of you are interested to generate more referrals for your fellow members and also receive lots of referrals from your fellow members? Thereby, you can achieve your goals of 2020. Because today, in this short educational presentation, I'm going to share with you one thing that we as leaders have to always keep our focus upon, and one action that we all can take which can ensure that we all achieve our goals for 2021, and we also can help our members of our chapter to achieve our goals of 2021. Now, what is constant in this whole world? What is one thing that is constant in the whole world is what is called change. Absolutely. Change is the only thing which doesn't change. Yes or no? Nothing changes except the distractions around us. We all actually, in the beginning of the year 2020, we all kept some lofty goals and amazing goals we all kept. What happened to our life? Look at that. Everything changed instantly. Everything, when COVID came, when pandemic came, everything went for a toss. So next, we are entering into 2021 right now. So obviously, you're going to set some goals, and as you set some goals, you will also face lots and lots of distractions, right? Why? Because what is one thing which is constant is not only just change, but also lots of distractions around us. With lots of distractions, we have to manage the global change that is happening in the economy, in the business world, in our personal life, in the health. Everywhere we have to focus upon. Yes or no? It's only not you and me. Huh? Every member of our chapter is also going through the same challenge. So, how do you bring change in our life? How do you accept change in our life? And what is that one thing we as leaders, we need to ensure that every member of our chapter accept the change, understand the change, and achieve their goals for 2020. I'm going to share with you one simple idea or strategy which successful organizations apply whenever they want to bring in some kind of change. Right now, we are in the end of the year. Obviously, 2021, you all would be thinking of how can I achieve my new goals for 2021. That means how can I adapt to the new change? How can I motivate my teammates? How can I motivate my employees? You're going to think all these things. Whatever I'm going to share with you right now, with that particular principle, you can apply that even for all our chapters also. Because even in the chapter, we have goals, we have targets, we have referrals. How do you bring about all these things? And in the chapter, we have to achieve these goals only with the help of our team members. So if you are working with a team, whether inside a BNI chapter or in your organization, you have to remember one simple principle which I'm going to share with you. This is from a very interesting book called Making a Gradual Change, where what are the basic requirements that we all have to follow when we have to implement a change. Right now, 2021 is going to be a different year for all of us because the consumer behavior has changed, the way in which we are doing business has changed, the way in which our employees are responding to situation has changed, the way in which you are working from home, that is becoming a new normal. So whenever you are thinking about implementing a change, remember, there are 5 things that are required. If you want to implement change within the chapter level or within the organization level, number one, you need to have a very clear vision of what is that you want to achieve. You need to have a very clear goal or a vision. For example, in your chapter, if you have decided that in the next 3 months or next 6 months, we want to have this many number of referrals and business as part, that's a vision. So for that, you need to have a strategy. Any one strategy. I will share with you one strategy at the end of this of how you can achieve your goals, how you can double and triple your goals for 2021. So you need to start with a strategy with a vision. Okay, a vision and a strategy. Number two, then you need to design appropriate incentive for your teammates to get excited, to get motivated. That's number two. And then you need to develop the necessary leadership skills. Necessary skills, whatever skills that is required for the job. You need to develop that within us and also among all our team members. And then you need to spot various resources required, internal resources or external resources. For example, if you want to do something within the chapter, you need to take care of your membership committee, your team members, empowering them, maybe asking the EDs to come and do the training, probably inviting the DCs to come and help them and motivate them, probably attending some extra trainings, inviting the training team to come and deliver an extra training to our chapter members to develop them. So all these resources have to be planned. And then you need to have a pakka action plan, perfect action plan. See, only when all the five, you see that in the first line of the image, only when there is a perfect strategy and a vision with the right incentive and the right skills, right resources, and a good action plan, change is possible. In these five, just imagine there is no vision or strategy. The remaining four is there. Members will get confused. They will not know which direction to go. The same applies even in your organization. But among these five, if the incentive part is missing, you have everything, but the recognition, the incentive is missing, the change will be very slow. It may not happen in the way you want it to happen. And if the necessary skills are not imparted, they all want to, our members, your staff or our members will be really eager to support you, but they don't have the skills. So obviously they will be anxious, more of anxiety only will result. If the necessary resources are not provided to the chapter members or to your team members, they end up in frustration, they end up in irritation, they will not be positive. But if there is no action plan at all, everyone will be talking only in words, but there will not be any action. So obviously, it will be more like a false start. No one is starting. Okay. Everyone says that, yes, I will do it, but nothing happens. So that's the reason our job as leaders, that whenever you want to implement one strategy in the chapter, you need to ensure that there is a strategy, there is a right recognition for the members when they do it, and you need to provide them the right skill. That means you need to find the right member who has the right skill, or if the member doesn't have that skill, you need to empower that member. And then you need to find the right resources for the chapter members to perform that particular function. Then you need to have the right action plan. Only when all the five is aligned, any change is possible to handle. And remember, the whole business world is going through an amazing change. The whole BNI has adapted to amazing change, and we do not know how long we are going to stay in this online world. And whenever we go to offline, we don't know. But always remember, we need to empower and we need to embrace the change and be ready for it. So if you are really interested, I'm going to share with you one simple idea which can help us. One strategy I'm going to share with you. One strategy which can help us to double and triple the business for all our members. Okay. I will only tell you the strategy, but you guys decide what kind of recognitions you want to create for your chapter members. Is there any skills you want to develop or any resources and an action plan? One strategy I would like to suggest to each and every leaders here in this room is, in our chapter, we have 40, 50 members in our chapter. Some chapters we have more than 50 also. How many of you think that 5 minutes per day, 5 to 10 minutes per day, do you think it is a fair amount of time that we all can think for our chapter members? Do you think that's a good amount of time that we can invest? How many of you are ready to invest 5 minutes or maximum 10 minutes for our chapter for business alone? How many of you are ready for that? Okay, because you need the minimum time requirement is 5 minutes. Now, what can we do in this 5 minutes? Every day you fix any one time, okay, 5 to 10 minutes, called the BNI time. And in that BNI time, you need to look into the roster sheet of the chapter, and you must pass one referral to any one member of your chapter every single day. It can be a transaction referral or it can be just a relationship referral. Every day, one relationship referral you must pass to any one member in our chapter. Okay. Do you think it's possible? Do you think it's a very simple to apply strategy? Passing one relationship referral to any one member in our chapter. Remember, it's not a self-referral, it's an outside referral, but it's actually a relationship referral. That means probably there is no requirement right now, but you're connecting both these members, your member and your client or your friend, so that let them build the relationship and the business may come little later. So that means In the entire month of December, we are on 7th December 2020. We have another 24 days to go, okay, for this month. That means every single day, we select any one particular time and we just pass one referral per day. Just imagine we have 50 members in our chapter. If all of us pass one referral, 50 referrals are passed every single day. It means in another 25 days, we would have passed more than 1,200 plus referrals. We all know that all referrals may not become business, but even if 20%, Pareto principle says 20% will always work. If 20% gets converted, we are talking about 200 referrals, 250 plus referrals becoming business for the month of January. And our average referral value is close to 50, 60,000 rupees. Just imagine the amount of business that we all can generate and start the year with a big bang. Remember, we are about to start the year. We have a choice right now. How do we want to end the year? We can end it in a normal way, or we can end it with a bang with loads of referrals flooding inside the chapter, and every member gets excited. They get that confidence. Yes, next year is super bright, and my team is here to support and help. When we all, as leaders of the region, if we all can practice this personally, remember, if we all can hold ourselves accountable and pass every day one referral every day, if you do that, the MC committee will do that. If the MC committee does that, all the visitor host team and the members of the chapter will start following the same. If all of us can get this habit of passing one referral a day, we can start the new year, the new month, with at least 1 to 2 crores of additional business for our chapter. How many of you believe that this is a very simple and practical technique that we all can do? Can we all do that? How many of you are ready for this particular way to end our year? How many of you are ready for that? Okay, if you are ready for that, go ahead and implement this particular technique in this week inside your chapter. Come up with some special recognitions. Member who passes more referral, give them some special recognitions. Okay, come up with, probably you can use the help of the executive directors and support directors. If you want to recognize them, probably a one-to-one meeting with the ED as a special gift with them, probably one-to-one with the DCs. Come up with all kinds of incentives. Take the help, the resources from the region, from the training team, and thereby we end the year with loads of referral and we start the year with lots and lots of business. Remember, change is the only constant available, and it is up to us as leaders to bring about the change instead of falling for the change. I hope this particular presentation was useful for you to think how we can monetize and capitalize on the upcoming change. Thank you very much for your valuable participation, and go ahead and implement this change, and go ahead and comment below. What is that one thing that you would like to practice after watching this presentation? Thank you very much, and over to Chaman.
Thank you.